Thank God.
The 75th Republic Day was joyously celebrated at Nsca Mini Stadium, Pahamsyiem, with the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, gracing the occasion as a chief guest. The Deputy Chief Minister unfurled the national flag. The event featured a vibrant march past by students from different schools, police personnel and NCC cadets, with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong taking the salute. In his address, Tinsong extended his heartfelt congratulations to the citizens on the auspicious occasion of the 75th Republic Day and highlighted the achievement of the government. In West Janta Hills District, Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute to the tune of the national anthem led by JNV School Mukhla. Addressing the gathering, he reminded the citizens of the district of our freedom fighters' struggle and also highlighted the achievement schemes implemented in the state.
Itinat pakamsan jo kamigala lalong kitong ki bakasurka katmu berkentiu kaspa kapu jo kajela kasnen araja kaploi kede kasnen jo kicing seso aga punya ieu ki marret kamigala umat news pak mikripton ki marret na kajela bentuk yo sing sinurai sotrun kasiu bat sensa lalak mansalan bat saklin ki ieu hakari basabar ri kumju kabawan ra kecikiu hakayo kapot kinore